what we want to do is see through that it's groundless, because basically there's a trick going on where we take something for granted. We take something as absolutely true, and then we build off of that. And once we build off of that, we forget that the original beliefs were beliefs, because they become foundational, and these foundations can be solidified by other beliefs that reinforce the foundation. When we have sort of like a hermetic bubble going on, where we have a self-consistent sort of loop of ideas and beliefs and concepts, it can seem very cohesive. It can have a continuity to it, which makes it very real seeming. When we realize that those foundational beliefs are basically arbitrary and cannot be validated, then we have an opportunity to be free from them.